Hey guys, so in this video we want to show you how to install a new trimmer line on a non-automatic weed whacker, or in this case this is a brush cutter. So this one is a little bit bigger machine. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tilt our machine here away, or in this case to the right, so that the gas cap is facing upwards. So if we do it the other way with the gas cap facing down, then there is a risk of fuel or gasoline leaking out all over our floor. So make sure you're going to rotate your machine here with the gas cap facing up. So now let's take a look at the receptacle of our trimmer line. So here we have removed the old trimmer line already. We're going to see here 4 holes on one of the sides. We have 2 relatively big holes which are kind of dark, and then in the center there's 2 holes which we see the light through, and those are a little bit smaller. So first we're going to prepare our trimmer line. So if you're my father-in-law, then you're going to cut a hole here on the side, which doesn't really make sense. Instead we're going to just pull the trimmer line here through the center hole, pull a little bit out, and depending on your preference, so you can measure here a little bit. I'm usually using about 5 to 6 inches. It's like 15, 16 centimeters. And then I'm going to add a couple of centimeters or inches, like about 2 or 3 inches for the installation. And then I'm doubling this up because we have 2 trim lines sticking out of our receptacle. And then I'm going to create another one of exactly the same length, since we're using 2 of these. Then we are starting the installation by putting one end of the lines into one of the center holes. Doesn't matter which one, just push it right in there and push it in about halfway through. And then of course here we're going right back into the center here, pushing it right back in, and then we're making sure we have it really exactly halfway. Pull a little bit, tug it a little bit, so that this end here is, or the center here, is really nice and hugging that metal piece and doesn't stick out. And now that we have both ends the same way, the same length, then we're going to push the rest of the trimmer line here through the other 2 holes to the remaining holes. Those are going to go all the way to the outside, as you see here. Make sure you do it exactly like this. Don't like overlap them or use them the other way. So then we have to repeat the same thing, of course, on the other side as well. And then in the end it should look something like this. And now we are ready to start trimming or weed whacking. And then once our trimmer line is used up, then just pull them out with some pliers. Here first pulling it into the center, and give it a little push so that we can pull it out here from the other end. And then we're going to throw this out. Okay, so that was all it for this video. Hope the information was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.